Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make shortcut in Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To create a shortcut in Windows 11, follow these steps. Alternatively, you can also create a shortcut from the Start menu. Click on the Start menu and the taskbar to open the Start menu. Type the name of the program or file you want to create a shortcut for in the search bar. Right-click on the program or file and the search results. On Open File Location, from the context menu that appears, choose Open File Location. In the File Explorer window that opens, right-click on the program or file icon, then choose More Options, then Send to, then click Create Shortcut. A shortcut to the selected program or file will be created on your desktop. These steps will help you create shortcuts to program files or folders on your Windows 11 desktop for easy access. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.